In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roland Piano Partner 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to connect your Roland Piano to the Piano Partner 2 app, then what you have to do is set it up primarily through Bluetooth. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Bluetooth connection to use your keyboard or piano with Piano Partner 2. So to do this, open the app. And in here, when you go to the top right corner of the screen, you will access the settings on the home page, and then you will see Bluetooth MIDI device. As you can see, the connection is currently empty. This means that no piano was detected, so choose the option at the top. Now you will see a list of all of the devices that you can connect into. You should be able to find your piano in here as long as Bluetooth is properly set up. Now, if you don't see it on this list, then go over to the settings on your device, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and that you choose the Bluetooth pairing option using the knob and the screen on your piano. If you don't have a screen like this one, then you will usually have to do a specific combination of physical button presses, like the power button and the Bluetooth function button indicated here. I recommend reading the manual to see if your particular model has a specific method of toggling Bluetooth on and off, and after it has been enabled, don't connect it from this list. So if you see your piano appear here, for example, don't choose it from this list. And if it is currently connected, I recommend choosing the option to forget it. So you tap on the little information icon and you select forget this device. As weird as this is, you don't want to connect it through your phone settings. You want to connect it through this window. So choose it from here after Bluetooth has been enabled. It is going to appear, and now you are good to go. You will download all of the necessary data automatically as long as you are connected to the internet, so all of the drivers and all of the songs will be set up automatically for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Roland Piano Partner 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.